have brought you guys a makeup tutorial. This is how I do my makeup if I was to go out for a date, if I was to do anything, go to church, whatever the reason may be. Okay guys, so I will be leading you step by step on what I do to achieve this look. So I use a eyebrow pencil that I got from a Hairshop just right in the corner. Excuse my daughter at the background. Fill up the brows. After filling up your brows, make sure you brush it. And I use LA Pro concealer, the OG that everybody uses. I don't know if people are still using it, but I do. I take in the shade chestnut, and I just take some in my eyebrow brush, and I will line under my eyebrows. I don't do the top of my eyebrows, I only do under, and I make sure I blend it in properly. Okay, so after applying it in the way I liked, I take my concealer brush. It's very fluffy and full. I got it from TikTok shop. I just blend, make sure everything sits in and it's actually blended, not looking ashy. It's actually melted to your skin. Then you can move into the next step. But for now, we're just going to continue blending until it's sitting properly. Okay, next one I'm going to do is use the same brush and just brush on the top after I've used my Made by Mitchell palette. I think this one is in deep because I am very dark. Okay, and love it here. I'm gonna take the darker shade. I don't know really what shade I used, but it was the second one on the palette, the second darkest one on the palette. And I like to contour my face before doing anything else. So anywhere where my contour was meant to sit, that's where I will start with. I put everywhere where I want to contour, on my forehead, my cheekbones, underneath my chin, everywhere. Literally I apply the contour first. Okay guys, and the second thing we're going to do is use the same LA Pro concealer in the shade chestnut, and we're going to apply everywhere we want to conceal our face. I do not use foundation because I don't think it elevates my makeup, but it just makes my face really oily, and I think I kind of have an oily face, so I try to do what works best for me. If you have like high pigmentation or anything like that, you might need to like correct your face first and then apply your foundation. That's what it's used for, but my skin is just as fine, so I just do my concealer straight away. Okay, so you guys see where I have placed my concealer. I did wait for 2 minutes or 3 before starting the blending process of my concealer. As you can see, this is what I'm doing now. Just blending in all the concealer to make sure it actually do sit properly. If you do not blend your concealer, your contour, or everything properly, trust me guys, your makeup will look ashy. It will look really bad. So if you are a beginner, you don't really do your makeup all the time, I would advise you to make sure you blend, take your time and make sure it is blended. Okay guys, good. So this is what you're going to do. Make sure you blend. As you can see, I'm doing right there. Okay. So guys, after you finish blending, you're going to take the same brush where you use the one you used for your contour. You're going to make sure you blend the concealer and the contouring under so it melts, so you don't see no ashy line or whatever of the concealer being separated from your contour. Make sure you blend everywhere the concealer is not melted to your skin. That brush you use for the contouring will help you blend everything and it will actually look perfect. Okay, so make sure you do that in every other places where you did your contouring. Make sure you use that brush, blend everything, and it will bring out all the contouring that you've done before, so it's actually sitting properly. Okay, as you can see what I'm doing, I'm just blending everywhere where I put the contour and also used for the concealer, and I am melting them together so they look really good on my face. So after doing all of that, we are going to use the Made by Mitchell, but this time is the blush one. I use Mango Daiquiri and where's the SPF, I think, yeah, these two shades. I mixed it together and then I made sure I blended it properly with a different brush. Don't use the same brush that you collected your blush. Don't use the same brush, because if you collected a lot, then it will look very, very cakey. It will just be too much blush on your face. I like it just a little bit, not too much, but it gives a little color to your face, and that, you know, it makes you look bright and, you know, beautiful. Okay, so make sure you blend that in properly. Blend. And I took the brush that I was contouring before and make sure I melted everything again, and use the same brush just to, you know, blend on top of my eyes as well. If I was to do an eyeshadow, I will then put powder on top of my eyelid and then I'll do an eyeshadow, but for this one I didn't really want to do too much. I just wanted it to be simple, as I would do it on a daily if I was to just do a quick makeup and go. Okay, so that's what I did, and then I took my powder from Revolution on my shade. I think it was also chestnut. It's very dark. If I was to look brighter, I would use a shade lighter, but I used just the powder on the chestnut color. After that, I took my mascara and did my eyes. After that, I used the same eyebrow pencil that I use for my eyebrows and line up my lips, and then I blended it, make sure you do, you know, so it doesn't look just like a line, but it actually is blended nicely to your lips. And then we're going to put some gloss after that. Okay guys, good. As you see what I'm doing, yeah, make sure I blended it and it's not just a line. Okay, like I was saying, if you wanted the eyelash, you could have put the eyelash on, but I didn't want that. And then I took my vitamin E spray. I used this in the beginning, and when I finish my makeup, this is just my preference, and I think it makes my face looks more hydrated. Okay, after that I'm going to take this palette. It's very, very old. It's a Patricia Bright palette, and I use in the darker shade as well. That's what I got it from. And I used the highlighter to highlight my face a little bit on the tip of my nose and on the side of my cheekbones. I've done that, and then after I'm going to apply my gloss, I think. Okay, just keep on watching and you see what I'm doing. Okay, yep, so we have used the lip gloss now. I applied my lip gloss, and then I'm going to take the matte spray from Revolution just so it sits everything on my face and it doesn't move. Trust me guys, I do this makeup and I can go out for 6 hours, 7 hours, and I would be fine. There will be no like ashiness or whatever. It's really good, trust me. You don't have to spend money on expensive products. Okay, and that was the end of our video. I hope you guys loved it. Bye.